Hey guys, welcome to my Etsy channel. This is Nancy from nancybadillo.com and welcome to another episode of Etsy Shop Tool. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about a free online tool that lets you see what other sites are using as a theme. Guys, don't forget, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you have a online business that you want to grow and scale it to the next level, this is a channel to be at. I upload weekly videos on Etsy, on social media, tools and tips that you could use to grow your brand. So make sure that you go ahead and subscribe today. So let's go ahead and proceed with the tutorial. This is going to be very short because it's just a tool that I wanted to show you guys. So if you ever, let's say you were browsing through your competitors, or if you ever came up across a website that you liked. So you saw someone else's blog and you're like, wow, I love their website. I wish my website could look like that. You might be able to. So with this tool, basically what you do is that you put the URL of that website here, and it tells you what type of theme they're currently using on their website. That way, if you decide that you want to create a blog or a website for your online business, let's say you're an Etsy seller, or maybe you do Amazon or Shopify or anything else like that, and you just want to have secondary income and create a website, you could come in here, put anyone's website in a URL in this tool, and it will tell you what kind of theme they have. And then all you have to do is pretty much, once you know the name of the theme for that WordPress, all you have to do pretty much is Google it, and you'll find the company that sells it. And a lot of times they sell it to you and they also install it for you as well. So you could have a similar look like that person. It would just be modified for your information, like for your products and services and etc. So I'm going to use my blog as an example. So my blog is nancybadillo.com. And when I type in my URL, it's going to showcase where I got my theme. And then it's also going to showcase any plugins that I currently use on my blog. So the plugins are basically features that you could add to a site to do certain types of functions. So you could do a plugin for your email responder. You could do a plugin for Pinterest. You could do a plugin for your social media. So there's different types of plugins you'll be able to go ahead and add. So this is correct. It's saying the blue chick is the person I bought it from, and I did buy it from them. It gives you the address, the website where you could go and buy it yourself. And then it also gives you the top tools that I currently use by order. So showcasing which ones are the most popular ones. So these are all the plugins, and it kind of gives you an idea of the plugin, I guess, when I installed it. And then it also gives you, let's see here, additional plugins that I currently have or that I could benefit from using. Well, it's a really nice tool because if you ever see, again, a website that you like and you want to kind of create the same thing but for your own product and services, this is the quickest way that you could find what exactly they're using, what theme they're using, and if it's something that you'll be able to go ahead and purchase yourself. So I hope that this tutorial was useful. I'm trying to add a lot of resources and tools for you guys so you guys could start learning how to not only use Etsy, but also if you decide to branch out and create your own blog and have your own website or e-commerce platform, to have all these additional tools that you can use as well. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you leave me feedback. Let me know if you like these type of videos, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will leave the link for this video on the description box below and also in the comment section. That way, in case you guys want to use this tool, you'll be able to go ahead and use it. Thank you again for watching.